Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and it is our first beauty box of 2019 and it is, look, fantastic. I can't believe how quick it's come. It's only the 4th today, and I do know that Diary of a 40 something got hers yesterday, which is just amazing. So yeah, they're always pretty quick off the draw. So those that don't know, it is a monthly subscription box and it costs £15 including postage, and I really love it. So let's get in and see what we've got. And the boxes are always really, really lovely. They're very stylish. This is a really nice pale blue and silver trim. Sounds a bit clunky. And let's get in. So inside there's always a little quote. Restart. A bit of family noise. Okay, so I'm back. So yes, so here it is. It comes in a lovely pale blue box, and inside there's always a quote on, and it says Resfeher, or is it Resfeber? The tangled feelings of fear and excitement before a journey begins. And it's hashtag LF Beauty Box. Inside the box it looks like this. You get your little booklet which tells you all the information. You also, in the box, get a subscription to Elle magazine. And this on its own, it only is over £4. So £4.40 it would cost to buy this. So that really takes the price of the box down to just over £10. It'd be like, so I think that's really, really good value. So these are sort of fashion orientated magazines. I'll pop that there. I don't usually read it, to be honest. And here is what we want. So this is the box. Once you get the magazine out, it doesn't really feel that heavy, if I'm honest, but it's always beautifully packaged. I'll let you have a look first, and here we go. So let's have a look here first on the book and see what it says. So it says, Happy New Year. With a new year comes the opportunity to refresh, detox and rejuvenate. This year we're starting a new journey with the beauty box and setting new goals, aiming to elevate the box to new levels by ensuring that we continue to introduce you, our subscribers, to new and exciting brands as well as some old favourites. For our January edition, we're inviting you to discover all things clean beauty and sharing some of our favourite beauty products that work just as hard as you do. If you're embracing your own personal New Year health detox, we're sharing our favourite cosmetics that will work in tandem with your gym workouts. We wanted this issue of the magazine to centre on all things clean and active beauty, and within that, we're discussing how you can cleanse your makeup bag whilst also sharing the things we're detoxing from our lives this year. On that note, we hope that this month's magazine will inspire you to consider how to clean your daily beauty routine is, as well as how to mentally or self-rejuvenate, can't speak as usual, how to clean your daily beauty routine is, or as well as how to mentally or self-rejuvenation manifest itself in your day-to-day. So yeah, so inside it's got a little bit of breakdown. It tells a bit about the products, so I'm just going to dive straight in. First thing we've got is Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturiser. Oh, it's First Aid Beauty. We've got quite a few things by these in several boxes. So this is this here. The one thing with this, it doesn't tell you how much the products cost, but I will try and find, and I'll put the information split screen as usual. So this is this. And it says, so First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturiser. Discover this coconut water infused oil free multitasking complexion enhancer that instantly brightens, moisturises and smooths in one step. Simply apply to the skin for a blurred complexion that is perfectly prepped for makeup application. Apply evenly to cleanse skin. Editor's tip is gently massage into skin for a glowing complexion that doesn't need any makeup. So let's have a little look and see. So it feels quite thick. That's because it's got a safety seal on, a hygiene seal. Just realised that's why it won't squeeze out. So let's take that off. And it looks like it's a coloured product. So that's it there. So it has got a slight pearlescent sheen and just, oh, it looks quite glowy. And so that probably suit like I'm in my late 40s, so that'll probably be really nice on my skin. It'll make it look a bit more sort of rejuvenated. It feels very nice, quite rich. So it's got a bit of a pearlescent sheen, so it's definitely an illuminating primer. So that's really nice. Next thing we've got is this, and it's Swell Ultimate Protect and Renew Serum. This is quite a big tube, so that's 30 mils. And this is, where are we? So create sleek, smooth and hydrated hair with this silicone-free and weightless formula designed to create salon-worthy results at home. This multitasking serum helps to control frizz, reduce the appearance of split ends and create a glossy look. Apply after towel drying hair, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends of your hair. And a little goes a long way with this serum. Even if you have dry hair, we'd suggest only applying a pea-size amount. So obviously it's just a little bit to apply to the ends. So it is just like your normal, that's it here, just sort of like silicone based products. I'll just rub it in, apply a little bit. Oh, it smells beautiful. And then I'll try that again when I've got another video with my hair down and see how it is, or maybe pop a photo on Instagram. So keep an eye on my Instagram account. It's ladymawabeauty. Next thing is, so this is, where are we? Oh, banana setting powder. Here we are. So that's a nice sized product. And it says, where are we? So, oh, it's Bella Pierre. Oh, we've had quite a few things. It's quite a nice brand, Bella Pierre. So this yellow toned colour correcting loose setting powder is essential for brightening lackluster skin. For makeup that will last all day, use this powder to set foundation and concealer in place. Use a fluffy brush with this powder to set makeup, and dust the brightening powder on your under eyes for a brightening effect. Now, I don't think I've got any banana powder. Has this got a seal on it? Yep. It's got a little tab on it in here. So I'm just going to peel it back a bit. Let's see if I can get a bit of powder out. Where are we? So here's a little bit there. So it does look quite brightening. And as I say, some people like this, some people don't. I'll need to give it a go. I don't use a lot of powder because I've found that often it can make like my under eyes look really dry. So maybe I just need to find the right one. So I'll give it a go, let you know. Next thing we've got is some pop bands, and these look like a limited edition. And I got some, well, the Kershaw ones, I think it was, from My Latest in Beauty last month. And they didn't feel quite big enough because I've got quite thick hair, but I quite like the idea of them, and these look really, really pretty. So this is, where are we? So designed to leave hair fresh and kink free, pop bands are an essential for wearing your hair up. This gym ready hair ties are made from wide elastic that doesn't snag your hair, but instead means that your hair is styled comfortably. Simply use these to tie up your hair in whatever style you desire. So it'll be interesting to see if I got one of the other ones here, because they are quite small, but these look really big. And obviously they've got one that says look fantastic on. Not sure if I'd wear that one in my hair, but they feel really soft. These feel, the other ones I had were quite scratchy. They felt really like glittery ribbon. So these feel much nicer. Probably go around twice, I think, in my hair. So even though they're stretched a long way, I don't think they're much bigger than the others. But I'm keen to try them, and I'll wear them one time, let you know. Next thing, I'm so disappointed. It is the Pawpaw Original Clear Balm. So this is a staple in our beauty routine. This award-winning multi-purpose balm contains fermented pawpaw, an ingredient that contains natural healing properties. This all-natural, fragrance-free balm made in the UK is designed to deeply nourish and soothe. Can be used not only as a lip balm, but also on cuticles, dry skin, or on damaged hair. Apply to any dry areas like lips and cuticles for intense moisture. This says apply this before bed for a deep conditioning lip treatment. I have got quite a few of these. This is a really large one. I've got some smaller size ones, 25 mils. It looks bigger, so I wonder if it's just a lot of dead space in that tube, I think. Oh, there we go. But it is a nice product, but I've just got loads of them, so there we go. I'll probably give it to my mum or my dad, maybe. And then finally, we've got a face mask, and it is a Marine Gold Dust sheet mask. I love a good sheet mask, so I'm excited to try this. So it looks like it could be one of 4 masks that have been sent out. So this one, it says, inspired by Korean skincare, this mask is made with real gold dust to give your skin an ultimate treatment, fitting seamlessly on the face. This ultra-fine mask enhances moisture levels to deeply nourish and soothe the skin. So you can either get the marine gold mask, the black gold mask, diamond gold mask, or rose gold mask. So I've got the marine gold. Apply to the face, smoothing over the mask until it fits the facial contours. So there we are. Bit of a weird box to begin January with, I think, but it is things that we need. So we've got a nice face mask, we've got the Pawpaw Balm, we've got the primer, which looks really nice, and we've got the hair serum, and the banana powder, and the hair ties. So I think that's quite a nice little box for £15. I hope you've enjoyed your box if you've got this one. Have you got any other boxes? What are you getting? What are your thoughts on the products? And do you like them? I mean, it is a really good value box, in my opinion, for £15, including postage and the magazine subscription. So I think it's one of the better ones. And it's nice not to have makeup products as well, really, because I've got plenty of makeup products and I'm getting quite good at using my skincare. Right, that's it. I'm going to go before I get interrupted again. Have a really, really good evening, guys, and I'll see you all again very, very soon. Bye.